Analysis of Alias Grace. Title: Alias Grace. Author: Margaret Atwood. Genre: historical fiction, psychological thriller. Published: 1996. Setting: 19th century Canada. Introduction. Alias Grace is a historical fiction novel based on the true story of Grace Marks, a young Irish immigrant and domestic servant in Canada who was convicted in 1843 of murdering her employer, Thomas Kinnear, and his housekeeper, Nancy Montgomery. The novel blends historical facts with fiction, exploring themes of memory, identity, gender roles, and justice. Atwood uses a dual narrative structure, alternating between Grace's recollections and the perspective of Dr. Simon Jordan, a psychiatrist trying to uncover the truth about her past. Plot summary. Frame narrative. The investigation. The novel is set in 1859, 16 years after the murders. Grace Marks is imprisoned but claims to have no memory of the crimes. Dr. Simon Jordan, an ambitious psychiatrist, is sent to analyze Grace's mental state to determine if she should be pardoned. Through hypnosis, interviews, and Grace's own storytelling, the novel pieces together her past, Grace's life story, her perspective. 1. Childhood and immigration. Born in Ireland, Grace suffers an abusive father and extreme poverty. The family migrates to Canada, where her mother dies on the ship. Grace is forced into domestic service to support her family. 2. Working for the Kinnears, she is employed in the household of Thomas Kinnear, a wealthy but untraditional man. Nancy Montgomery, Kinnear's housekeeper and possible mistress, is both friendly and cruel to Grace. 3. The murders. James McDermott, a resentful servant, plots to kill Kinnear and Nancy. The details of Grace's involvement remain unclear. Was she a victim, a willing accomplice, or manipulated by McDermott? She later claims memory loss, adding to the mystery. 4. Arrest and trial. Grace and McDermott are caught fleeing to the US. McDermott is hanged, but Grace's sentence is changed to life in prison. Character analysis. Grace Marks, the unreliable narrator, symbolizes the complexity of truth. Is she guilty or innocent? Society sees her either as a murderous seductress or a tragic victim. She is intelligent but hides her true emotions, making her a mysterious figure. Atwood presents her as a woman struggling against oppression and injustice. Dr. Simon Jordan, the outsider trying to understand Grace, a young, ambitious psychiatrist obsessed with uncovering Grace's mind. His own life is messy and hypocritical. He desires control but is controlled by his own desires, fails to truly solve Grace, reinforcing the uncertainty of truth. Nancy Montgomery, the other victim, a servant who rises in status due to her affair with Kinnear. Initially kind to Grace but later becomes jealous and cruel. Her fate reflects the dangers women face in a male-dominated world. James McDermott, the violent rebel, angry and bitter towards the upper class, claims that Grace was just as guilty as he was, contradicting her version of events. Themes and symbolism. 1. Memory and uncertainty. Grace's amnesia about the murders raises the question: can we trust our own memories? The novel questions the reliability of historical records and personal narratives. 2. Gender and power. Grace, like many women of her time, is powerless and at the mercy of men. Society is quick to label women as either innocent angels or dangerous seductresses. 3. Madness and hypnosis. Dr. Jordan tries to use science and hypnosis to uncover the truth, but he fails. The novel suggests that mental illness and trauma cannot always be neatly explained. 4. Social class and injustice. The rich, like Kinnear, live freely, while the poor, like Grace, suffer severe punishment. Grace's story highlights how society punishes the powerless more than the truly guilty. 5. Patchwork quilts. Symbolism. Grace sews quilts in prison, symbolizing how she pieces together her story. The novel itself is structured like a quilt, fragments of different narratives woven together. Conclusion. Alias Grace is a psychologically rich and ambiguous novel that explores truth, identity, and justice. Atwood masterfully blends historical fiction with psychological suspense, creating a story that forces readers to question the reliability of history, memory, and perception.